Alright, this is a super quick video to explain how to change an M4A or music file that you might get through iTunes into an MP3 using your Mac. So if you get GarageBand, which is free from the App Store, it comes with most Macs. We'll start a new empty project and then choose audio recording, the one with the microphone, and just say create. I have a downloaded M4A music file here, and I'm going to drag it into the timeline. And it takes a second, and then it shows you the waveform. And then all you do is you go to Share, Export Song to Disk, and then you choose where to save it. I'm going to save it back in my Downloads folder with the same name. And I'm going to choose MP3 as the file type. And here you can choose the quality. I'm just going to choose the highest quality. And I'm going to say export. It runs through the whole song. Oops, I made a mistake. Before you do this, super important, you got to turn off the metronome. So sorry about that. Forgot that step. I make mistakes too. Anyway, click that to turn off the metronome and then do it again. So Share, Export Song to Disk, and then give it a name. And make sure it says MP3 here, and then hit export. And it, in my case here, is going to replace the file because I just exported the wrong one. I'll say replace. And now I have an MP3 file. Some programs can open an M4A file, so if you need to do some audio manipulation, sometimes it's handier to have an MP3 file. And we're done. That's how it is done. Super easy. Now here in my downloads folder, I've got my MP3 file along with the original M4A.